Let's see how to install Store Commander on your Shopify store. Go onto the app on the left hand side and then click on the Shopify App Store to look for Store Commander in the search engine at the top here. Once it's found, you can simply click on install, and this is redirecting you into your Shopify back office with the Store Commander, and you can start the process to install. There we go. So it's very, very quick. So the installation process is going to take all the product information of your Shopify store to add this into the Store Commander app. So this is called the initial import. This is only done once when you install the app, because in the morning, once you open Store Commander, everything will be updated, because we have synchronization during the night, so you don't need to re-import every day. It's already done for you at night. So for the initial import, simply add your email address here, because you don't need to wait in front of your screen. Just enter your email address, and we're going to start the process. Okay, so so keep an eye on your mailbox, and you will receive an email once the import process is finished. So you have the information here on your screen, but once you have the email, then when you come back here, you will have the button to open the app. That's it. I've had the email, so the screen just refreshed automatically, and now I can open Store Commander by clicking on this button. So in the morning, when you come and open your Shopify back office and click on Store Commander, you will have this page, so you can open Store Commander here, and then the application will open up, so you can start working on your shop straight away.